I come from Palakkad in Kerala. I was selected to the fiercely competitive Scientific Officers Training School of the Atomic Energy Establishment at Trombay. I was trained as a nuclear scientist and engineer. After successful completion of this course, I served the Department of Atomic Energy for nearly 40 years. I worked in different domains of science, technology, and management, such as industrial toxicology, health physics, effluent engineering, radioactive waste management, desalination technology, supply chain management, and public understanding of science.
I started out as a teacher at age 7 in an imaginary classroom with flowers as my students. I flowered with the values imbibed in childhood and discovered my passion for teaching when I joined intermediate college. Here I discovered that each child is unique. Thus began my journey of excellence. It has taught me to believe that excellence in teaching is founded on passion. My subsequent career with Tata Business Excellence Group to promote education excellence in Jamshedpur schools has equipped me with the expertise to facilitate schools aspiring for quality and excellence. I, Deepali Mishra, am here for you. Thank you.
Vande Gurum. I am Dr. Vasanthi Tyagarajan, founder, principal and correspondent of Sishya School that's located in Tamil Nadu. I've been in the field of education for over 4 decades and I'm very passionate about teaching, learning processes as well as training, especially the professional development of teachers. I was very fortunate to be part of Project Zero at Harvard University and worked with Dr. Gardner. I had a lot of wonderful discussions and Dr. Gardner was kind enough to mention those discussions in his latest release of book with multiple intelligences. I'm so privileged to be part of this wonderful CIER organization which is reaching out to teachers everywhere. Thank you for inviting me to be part of this group.
Greetings to all, I'm Chris Venugopal. Basically by education, I'm a civil engineering graduate with a postgraduate diploma in environmental protection management. I pursued my passion and every day I live. I'm an author, actor and a practicing hypnotherapist. Currently I'm a law student and in the field of healing minds as well as coaching people for a better voice. Thank you very much.
Namaste. I'm Manorama Ramdas, an educationist and trainer with more than 30 years of experience. I began my career as a science teacher in Kerala Samajam Model School, Jamshedpur. In 1995, I became the principal of Kerala Public School, Jamshedpur. In Mumbai, I was the head HR and management representative of a school and successfully led the school to ISO 9001-2008 accreditation. In 2014, I was selected by the Royal Society of Chemistry and trained as a teacher developer by master trainers from UK. I have conducted the RSC trainings for more than 350 teachers across many states in India. I retired as principal from Veddhara Global School, Himachal Pradesh, just before the pandemic struck India. Thank you.
Hi, I am Rajalakshmi KP, ex-principal and educational consultant from Bangalore. My qualifications are MSc in Physics, MA in Applied Psychology, MEd and MPhil in Education. After my retirement, I am working as a freelance teacher, trainer and reviewer of educational institutions. I participate and enjoy all activities which bring energy, joy and efficiency to the educational system. Thank you.
Vande Guru. I'm Seema Jairath, Principal, DLF Public School, which is located in the Delhi NCR region. Most recently, I have been part of both the CBSE projects to train principals, wherein I got a chance to co-create the content as also train the master trainers for leading transformation in 2018-19 and now for the pedagogical leadership framework in 2020-21.
Jai Hind. I am Dr. Sapna Agarwal, Director Academics, Edge Academy Kota, and founder iBig Wonder on YouTube. To be part of CEIR as owner director, it is indeed a matter of privilege because this trust and this platform gives immense opportunities to the educators for the right hand-holding, for the right kind of topics for a regular capacity building. They are stalwarts and people who come and share their views. It's a sort of a non-profitable organization completely for the educators. I personally feel a lot of privilege, and thank you Srisan Gopinath sir to make me part of it. Look forward to be able to contributing as much as I can. With this, I always say that everybody has a right to say I big wonder. Jai Hind.
This is Dr. Meenakshi Nirula, working as a principal at Shamford Futuristic K-12 School, Oraya. I am founder director at Mentoring the Mentors, an institute that accelerates your learning curve. I am MIE Master Trainer, MIE Expert, Google Certified Educator, GEG Leader from Kanpur area, Adobe Creative Educator, Digital Certified Educator, Bansi Ambassador, and lot many other tools that I'm expert at. Why I have been keep on exploring all those tools? Because I do promote and support education through gamification, value-based and SDGs integrated education. This is my initiative to help the educators to make the classes engaging, enriching and exciting through inculcation of innovative pedagogical skills. I am a promoter supporter of visible thinking routines to bring in the class and make your classes just amazing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Upasana Saraf and I work as head of HR for the Bombay Cambridge group of schools in Mumbai. My schools offer both the state and Cambridge board, and we have students aged 3 to 16 who study with us. My background is in psychology and I've been applying it in education for more than 25 years now. My goals have always placed students at the center and always aspire for them to have schools that handle them with warmth and love. And even though right now academics is at the center stage of the school's agenda, I do believe that in time educationists will come to agree that building social emotional skills is probably the most befitting and sustainable goal for education.
Hello, I'm Dr. Preeti Ojha, working as a principal in Delhi International School, New Delhi, India. My qualification has been in technology from graduation till PhD. I have been working as an educationist for the past 19 years. My forte has been to use technology to connect people, students, teachers and all the stakeholders nationally and internationally. I have been using this technology also for various kinds of resource development for teachers and as a trainer for various organizations. My maximum years of training has been with British Council, and now I have been also associated to CBSE as a resource person. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jyotsna, psychologist and psychotherapist, memory trainer and NLP practitioner. I associate with International Internship University as a professor, WellCare Education of College, Bangalore University. I am currently working with Mindcare Research Center as a CEO and Chief Scientist. I associate many NGO, institute, university, national and international. My main domain is research.
Whatever the question, education is the answer. This is Prasanna Rani Joy. My qualifications are MSc and MEd, and I did my postgraduate diploma in education administration. I have been in education field and management for 15 years, worked with many reputed institutions like Delhi Public School, Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Orchids International School, and Pearson Group of Schools, and then Birla. Right now, I am the principal in GEMS Education located at Guntur. My interests are visiting different places to attend sessions to explore where I can learn my strategies, management skills. I'm very fond of learning and teaching. That's been my practice as a leading career. I'm very passionate on professional development of teachers, and in my trainings, I cultivate leadership and motivate others so the teachers equip confidence and determination to reach the school vision. I feel very thankful to be in connect with people in CIERO. I extend my pleasure and gratitude for inviting me in this. Through this, I assure that I will definitely fulfill my passion and heights as a learner, ensuring to share my experiences and methods to all over because I perceive in sharing knowledge. Looking for CIERO to strengthen my vision. Thank you.